Now, since we have a model and a form, we can of course also create our form based on a model form, as we learned it. But even more than that, if we don't need any specific configuration regarding the labels or the error messages, we can actually even skip that part and go back to our view and replace this create profile view with a new view based on one of these more specialized views we had a look at in the last course section. For this, from Django, views generic edit, we can import the create view, for example, and then recreate our create profile view based on that create view. And then there we don't need to add get and post and so on. Instead, we just inform Django about our template, so that this is the template in profiles create underscore profile HTML, and about our model, which in this case is the user profile. Then we also add fields and tell Django that all the model fields should be rendered in the template. In this case, it's only the file field anyways. And we're basically good. We just need the success URL. And here I want to go back to /profiles. So that's this redirect URL. And that's all. Now validation and also saving the data, including files, will be taken care of by Django. So now we can get rid of this long old class here and instead just use this. And with that, if we save this, we still get this form, and we still can pick a file here, upload it, and it works. It's still getting stored, as you can tell here by this new file which was added, the green one here. So that's of course very convenient, and now also shows you again why these specialized views can be interesting. Now we don't have to worry about the nitty-gritty details. We can delete this form class. All we need now is our model configured as we need it, and we're good to go. And that's how we can handle forms with files and file upload. But one important thing is missing, and that would be serving these files. That's something we're not able to do yet.